Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the camera and the app's virtual background option so you can change backgrounds live. Choose consistent soft front lighting and remove clutter behind you. This improves edge detection and reduces artifacts. If possible, mount a plain solid-colored backdrop or green screen. This gives the software a clean reference to separate you from the background. Once done, open the background picker and load a few test images or a short looped video to verify how the algorithm distinguishes foreground versus background. Now you fine-tune the algorithm to improve realism. Choose whether you want a static image, an animated loop, or a 3D virtual scene. Each requires different resources, so pick based on your system. Adjust the similarity or threshold to tighten separation, and enable edge smoothing or spill suppression to remove halos. Make sure hardware acceleration is on and stream at 720p or higher if bandwidth allows. This reduces compression artifacts that break the illusion. Test with movement. To finish, lock in your chosen background and save a preset so you can recall it instantly for future calls. Join a test meeting and watch how head movement and hair behave. If you see flicker or ghosting, make incremental changes. Reduce similarity, increase contrast between you and background, or switch to a green screen for consistent results. If problems persist, restart the app, update GPU drivers, and confirm the app has permission to use the camera. These steps usually resolve stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.